Hi, I'm Deb from Skein Sisters. So it's 30 degrees outside today. I had to wear my summer tops because we have got some fabulous new summer yarn that's just arrived, like literally this second, and we have been waiting for it. So I've got my scalpel and let's see what it is.
What's it gonna be?
So many of you have been coming in and saying, where's your summer yarn? Because the weather has just been a bit warm, hasn't it, really? So we got on to the ordering and here it is. Yay!
That.
Ooh.
Oh, that's
I'm just going to pull out these two.
Pretty.
So the first one that I'm going to show you is Lino by BC Garn. It's a beautiful 4-ply linen, and just rip the bag open. And like any linen, it's a little bit crunchy in the ball, but as soon as you start wearing it, washing it, and you can chuck it in the washing machine like any normal linen garment that you've got, you end up with something beautiful and drapey like this one. This one's called Linho, L-I-N-H-O, by Joji Locatelli. She's got long sleeves in her pattern, but you know, it's really easy just to make it short. And this is the perfect yarn for it. It's 100% linen, a 4-ply, and really, really nice. There we go. Janine would look beautiful in that. I'm just going to take the camera. Look at her beautiful dress. Isn't that gorgeous? Perfect colour for her. There you go.
Thank you.
Back we go.
It comes in really beautiful colours.
So many colours. Like, look at all of these. Some beautiful neutrals. Go into the white.
Ooh, look at those.
I've got some greens for me. Maybe I can do something in that colour.
Oh, that's
for my
very
skirt.
pretty. Yeah, that's
That
very
one.
pretty.
Yeah, that's 62. I love that. Blues. Yeah, look at them all.
Yeah.
It's just fantastic.
Gorgeous.
Now the other one is something brand new. I'm going to open this box too because there'll be a whole lot more in here.
Okay.
Today's that day when we've got quite a few boxes arriving.
Yay.
So every time the doorbell goes, we get a little bit excited. Okay. That's an order for somebody. Okay. Oh, look. This is a new colour, I think. No, we haven't had it before, so how can it be new?
Exactly. They're all new.
They're all new. This one is called, it's from Kremke. So the Lino is from BC Garn. This is called Morning Salutation Fino. And what it is, it's a 3 to 4-ply. So a lot of those really beautiful 3-ply patterns, like this one that's just come out from Caitlin Hunter, that we didn't have anything for it. But I'm gonna really seriously think about this. This is absolutely perfect. You could do it into 4-ply patterns as well. And what it is made from is cotton and tencel, lyocell, which is a viscose. Which means that it's beautifully drapey. It's quite soft, actually. So and very easy to knit with. Sometimes linen, for instance, can be a little bit tougher to knit with. It can be a little bit string-like, but as soon as you start washing it, as I said, it softens. This would be really soft on your hands to use. The one thing with it, it can drop a bit. So just be careful. Make sure you're trying on all the time, and you can even block mid-project as well, just to make sure that you're going to get your length spot on. So there's 20 odd colours in this range too. Some fantastic lovely blacks. I'm just going to take that one too.
Each?
I think.
Oh, yeah, that's
that
pretty.
also looks good in my
I'm
skirt.
gonna leave something for someone tomorrow.
Loads. That's
love
some
that.
very pretty pale blue. Lovely sagey
Gorgeous.
green. I'm sure there's some pink in here somewhere for you, Janine.
Oh, I don't doubt.
There we go.
Oh, look at that.
So
Very
nice.
pretty. Very pretty.
So it's all online. If you get our newsletter, we're going to feature this today with tons and tons of pattern suggestions. So we'll see you soon.